All right, I think today is Tuesday, March 18th, and we've got Robin James here. Robin, say hello.
Hello.
All right, so this is for Christina and Brandon and the rest of the folks up there. So this stopped work. It did work for a split second. We put it in, and then it stopped working, but this is the brand new unit. We've had it for about 2 months. We only had it in the car for really a couple weeks, and we actually replaced the gauge also to try to see if but it may have been a sending unit problem all the time. So it just started working when you tried something. So what do you want me to show you? Are you showing the point?
Well, she was asking for how am I testing.
Okay,
so
it's right
if
there.
you can pan back so that we can show everything. Show the gauge with the 0.9.
Okay.
We have a positive here. We have the negative on ground.
Okay, good.
The 0.9, if you can keep everything in field as I bring it up.
Okay, you can see
Right. Oh, I'm losing my ground. But
30.
at the top, we're at 32. At the bottom, we're close to 0, which is fine by me. This will work off the gauge.
Okay.
And then the change that I made in here was this strap. This was bent over at about 180 degrees, so it was mashed right down and may have been touching here, if you can see the pointer on the tube.
Mm-hmm.
This was also at 180 degrees and pushed right up. So all I did was pull this down to isolate it.
Mm-hmm.
I pulled this one up to isolate it, and now it works.
Now what's interesting is I see, if you can see, Robin, a little bump on the side right here. Can you see the bump in the
I see
black?
that too.
And
So
then
that
look what
may
it
have
matches
been
here.
Yep, it
It
may have
matches
been
that.
touching and picking up ground off of that tube.
Okay.
So by isolating it, yeah, you see there's a little break. I don't know if you can catch it on camera, but there's a little tear in the strap right there.
So it might have been going, it looks like it went right to that bump right there in the
It's quite possible. But isolating that seems to have changed it, so it's going back in the car.
Could fluid allow that, if that's,
Nah.
could fluid itself transfer the electrical current from the one to the other?
Nah, not without blowing up the car. You'd know soon.
So the car would have been on fire, which is not.
Yeah,
All right.
no, these are totally safe.
Yeah.
So.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right.
So I haven't opened the case. That's the only thing, right?
Okay.
Like,
if you notice,
these are still factory. We didn't need to open this.
okay, the gasket is something we made. We had the good gasket from you guys, but what happens is it started leaking. So maybe we didn't use thread sealer. So with any of the white stuff you see around the bolt holes is actually thread sealer that we've used, a high temperature thread sealer, so that we don't have a leak anymore. But we had to create our own gasket. So all is good. Anything else, Robin?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
All right.